Ever wondered which poultry tastes the best, chicken, duck, or turkey? We're about to embark on a flavorful journey, comparing these three popular birds that grace our tables. Chicken, with its universal appeal, has a mild taste loved by many. Duck, while less common, brings a rich, robust flavor that's hard to forget. And then there's turkey, the star of many festive meals with its unique taste and texture. Now let's dive into the world of flavors and textures that each of these birds bring to our plates. First up, we have the worldwide favorite, chicken. This poultry powerhouse brings a unique blend of tender, juicy meat, coupled with a mild flavor that is a canvas for a world of culinary creations. Its versatility is truly remarkable, adapting beautifully to grilling, roasting, and frying. Whether it's a smoky barbecue, a savory roast, or a crispy fried delight, chicken takes on the flavors like a champ, making it a staple in kitchens globally. Chicken, with its tender meat and mild flavor, indeed makes for an all-around crowd pleaser. Next on our list is the rich and succulent duck. Known for its unique, full-bodied flavor, duck is a true delight for the palate. The meat has a slightly denser texture than its poultry counterparts, offering a satisfying bite that's hard to match. Common cooking methods such as roasting and confit help to bring out the richness of the duck, making it a star ingredient in many gourmet dishes. For those who enjoy a rich, hearty flavor, duck truly hits the spot. Finally, we have the star of festive feasts, turkey. Known for its lean yet succulent meat, turkey carries a slightly gamey flavor that sets it apart. Common cooking methods like roasting and smoking further enhance this unique taste, adding a delightful layer of complexity. The texture? Think tender and juicy, but with a firm bite that's unmistakably turkey. It's not just about the taste, though. The festive appeal of a beautifully browned turkey is undeniable. Turkey, with its distinctive taste and festive appeal, certainly holds its own in this comparison. So, who takes the crown in this poultry showdown? Let's recap. Chicken, the universal favorite, is known for its versatility and tender texture. It's a go-to bird in many households due to its mild flavor that pairs well with a variety of ingredients and cuisines. Then we have duck, the rich delight. With its robust and complex flavor, it's a gourmet's dream. The juicy, tender flesh underneath a crispy layer of skin is truly a culinary masterpiece worth savoring. Lastly, the festive star, turkey. A bird that shines on special occasions. It's larger in size and has a distinct, hearty flavor. It's perfect for those grand meals when you want to impress. So, which bird is the best? Well, it all boils down to personal taste and the occasion. Chicken for everyday meals, duck for a gourmet treat, or turkey for a festive feast. In the end, the best bird depends on your palate and the occasion. Whether you prefer the tender chicken, rich duck, or festive turkey, each brings its own unique flavor to the table.